ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ta ka Frank Motors. Ka Tata Safari ka SUV ka bapaw tam jong ka India minta kalami ha ka jinglong batmai ringkat bat khatsan teligi features baningkong e ha ka segment. La play ye ki booking but ya ki jing tip bakam bnia one shaka Frank Motors lat ko ringi lani phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar not hinyo khanda hinyo lai.
Women Helpline number iwe pra iwe ula yo pediang pala lai pun Hajar teli ki jing pan Jingïarap but Jingïarap ne ki jing sha thombor ha ka long ring nyeng ha ki binta ba pher ha ka jila Meghalaya. Menteri Ketana Social Welfare ka sarkar jila ba polling do ha ka jing keren mekla pathai ku bor la yat ho. Bakat Haduh menta ki dan saus pa nyo pu nyotli ki case la dep register shis pa san pu pratli ki case ki de ki pedang pin im ba lai pa southli ki bala pin kun. Ulong balingba ka jingdon jong uni number kala ai Jingïarap shibun ha ka jila khamtam yakito ki belangat ha ki jing sha ban ben ha ki saw kun ro jong ka yeng ka sem. Shosho menteri la yatho ba ka sarkar kala rai ban pintre kamru ya women helpline number iwe pra iwe badu child helpline number iwe not khandai pra ban pintikna bakini ki number Kynthei kambaro arpu saw kanta.
Separate helplines, the women helpline, which is 181, child helpline, which is 1098. You just dial those numbers, and there is round the clock attendance to calls made to those numbers. And also at the meet today, we decided to integrate the two, the women child and the child helplines into one. Well, for your information, the helpline calls that we have, we received 36,362 calls as on date, for which 477 cases have been registered, 158 cases are active, and 304 cases are closed. So the response has been not really bad, considering that in a state where generally we tend to hide things and don't go beyond the four walls of our house. But the fact that 36,000 plus calls were made in the course of the establishment of, since this online service was activated, shows that the response has been in fact high. We have always taken the Darbars to be part of social welfare department, and in fact some of the calls were made with the active support of the Darbars itself. Well, the pendency depends on how difficult a certain scheme was to formulate. But we realized that one of major weaknesses that we have in the department is the lack of professional hands to prepare DPRs and also to prepare utilization certificates on time. That being the case, we thought we could use the services of professionals, and in fact where ECD mission is concerned, there is already one such group which is on the job, so for which Mr. Kumar can further enlighten you.
Basically, the idea is that Social Welfare Department is actually reports to 5 ministries in the government. So it's a very, in fact, this is a Ministry of Women and Child Development Department, Ministry of Social Justice, Disability Affairs, and Ministry of Travel Affairs, Ministry of Minority Affairs. So, and also sometimes donors. So it requires, but like we have a directorate which is a small directorate, not very. So that's why strengthening of the entire directorate is going to happen. Provide some directorate will be given some professional support, so that directorate will be able to liaise properly with the ministry, so that we will not lose out in terms of the resources that we can actually access from them.